right, second grade. Remember yesterday how we stacked and added, and then we had to regroup sometimes in the tens and then sometimes in the hundreds? Okay, today you're going to regroup in both. The ones will have regrouping in the tens, and the tens will have regrouping in the hundreds. Okay, you're going to be regrouping both. You're going to have some bigger numbers today. But you can do it. I have faith in you. It won't be hard. You will get it, and you will think it's super easy. I promise. Okay? The only thing is you have to have confidence, and you have to think that I can do this. Okay? And you can. I know how smart all of you are. You are very smart. You can do it. Don't think you can't. Okay? All right. So let's figure out the first addition problem. Okay. There are 259 girls. So write that down. 259 girls. And 304 boys at Elm Elementary School. How many children are at Elm Street School? Elm Street. Anyway, how many kids are at it? So we are going to add. Okay? I think you guys can do this on your own. Go ahead and try. Because this is just review from yesterday. This isn't the new skill yet. So this is just review from yesterday. You can do it. Show me how smart you are. All right, we'll check how smart you are. I know you all are so smart. What's 9 plus 4? Ivan? 13. So we have the 3, and then we put the 1 on top of the tens place, right? Which is on top of the 5, but you just need to say tens place, right? All right, and then we have 5 plus 0 plus 1. What is that, Lena? 6. And then we have 3 plus 2. What is that, Isaac? Okay, so how many children are at Elm Elementary School or Elm Street School?
563
children. So let's write children. CH makes the ch sound. I, O, J, N. Children. I do a lot of sounding out.
I just do child.
Yeah, child run. All right, next one. We're going to do the numbers 462. 462, write it down. 462, it doesn't have a problem, it's just you're going to write down. Plus 374. Okay, smart hands, go ahead. You guys can all add it. Good, so fast. All right. 1's place, 2 plus 4. Landon? 6 plus 7, a little bit of a hard one. 6 plus 7. Kinley? You guys agree?
Yeah.
Yes, 13. 3. Add the 1 to the hundreds place, right? Add the 1s to the hundreds place. Then we have 1 plus 4 plus 3. What is 1 plus 4 plus 3, Darren? You guys agree? 8. Okay, next page. Now we're on the new skill. We don't have a label now, it was just numbers. Okay, sometimes you will regroup more than once in addition problems. So far, we've only regrouped one time. Now we might regroup more than one time. This is this problem. 259 plus 476. Okay, so what we need to do is the same thing we always do, boys and girls. Okay? What do we do first? We add the ones. What is the ones? 9 plus 6. What is 9 plus 6? Matthias? It's 15. So when you do it, of course, like always, you put your 5 and then you add your 1 to the tens. Okay? You're adding the 1 to the next set of numbers. Okay? The next place. You're adding it to the next place. Now, when we do the ones, then we add the what second? We add what place second? Everyone? Yes, then we add the tens. Now look, this is 7 plus 5 plus 1, so it's like it's 7 plus 6. What's 7 plus 6? Xander?
13.
13. Okay, so this is just like we've been doing. You have your 3, but now your 1 goes on to the hundreds place. It goes to the next place, okay? Does that make sense? The 1 is always going to the next place. Now you're doing 1 plus 2 plus 4, which is like 3 plus 4, which is what answer, everyone? 7, okay? I think we will do 2 more.
Yay.
Then you will do with your partner, and then you guys will have homework as on your own. The bottom ones, yeah. Okay, let's do number 1. I want to see how you guys do. We'll do it together, and then we'll do number 2 as I'll see how you guys do. How about that? Okay. Number 1. 1's placed first. 9 plus 4. What's 9 plus 4? Chase? 13. So we do what? What do we do, Kason? It's 13. 3 under the 9. Put the 1 on the tens place. Okay. Now we have 8 plus 1 plus 2. What's 8 plus 1 plus 2, Ivan? It's 11. How do I write that? How do I write that now? Isaac? Okay, what do I do first though? I need to put the first under the 2, and then I put another 1 on the hundreds. Then I do 3 plus 1 plus 1, which is what, Kinley? 5. Okay, you guys got it. I want you to do number 2 on your own. 6 plus 8 is, everyone?
13.
6 plus 8 is
14.
14, not 13. 7 plus, I'm just going to, guys, you have to make sure you always add the 1, okay? You have to make sure you add the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, so 7 plus 5 is 12. Add the 1 again. Now add the 1 to the 5, which is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay? All right. Let's go to the hot problem real quick. The rest you're going to do with your partner. Okay. You guys, we have to fill in the missing numbers. So 6 plus what would be? You don't want a 0. What do you think that should be? It wouldn't be 0. It would be what? 10. 6 plus what equals 10? If it's 10 also, then we need to put a 1 over here in the tens place, okay? So 6 plus what is 10, everybody? 4. Okay? Now, 1 plus 5 one with that 5 that we know. 1 plus 5 is what? 6. So can we get 9 with that? 6 plus what equals 9? 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now, what plus 4 is 6? 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, 2 plus 4 is 6. All right, let's do the next one. Or do you think it's going to be 2? Because 7 plus anything cannot be 2. So it's not going to be 2. It's going to be what number? Same people are always raising their hands. Grayson, what's the number actually going to be? Not 2, but 12. So if it's going to be 12, let's make sure we add our 1 right there. Okay? So 7 plus what is 12? Chase? 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. Do you guys agree? Are you sure? Okay. Okay, now I already have a 1 up here and we have a 3. So let's just go ahead and add 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is 4. 4 plus what is 6? 4 plus what is 6? Landon? 4 plus 2 is 6. Now 6 plus 2 is what? Or the answer down there below. What is 6 plus 2, Lena? 8. 8. Okay, another one again. 4 plus what is 3? Not 3, but 13. So we need to add our 1 on the tens. 4 plus what is 13? Xander? 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. Okay, now we just need to add the tens. What are we going to add? 7 plus 4 plus 1. Don't forget the 1. So do 7 plus 4 plus 1 real quick. 7 plus 4 plus 1.
7 plus 3 plus 1.
Oh, 7 plus 3 plus 1. Thank you. 7 plus 3 plus 1. What is it, Kason? You guys agree?
Yes.
11. We need to add the 1 to the hundreds then too. Now we have 1 plus 1 plus something equals 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 plus what is 5? Grayson?
3.
3. Okay. And then they just have review, guys. So you're breaking apart. You guys remember how to break apart? I'll do one with you real quick. Breaking apart. I'm gonna do 365 and 229. Oh, I could have done 6. Maybe I'll do 6. Okay. All right, breaking this apart would be 300 plus 60 plus, everyone? 5. Break 227 apart. That would be 200 plus. Okay, then we add them, right? Okay, then we add them. 5 plus 7 is? What is it? 12. Okay, but instead of 12, I have to put a 2 and then a 1 up here, right? Okay, but then I can just make that 10, yep. 10 plus 6 plus 2. So 10 plus 6 is 70. And then 70 plus 20 is 90. Okay, then we add our 200s. 300 plus 200 would be 500. Now make it small again. 592. 592. Okay, that's how you do that. All right.